In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to qualify for Sam's Club Business Credit Card. To get started, the first thing you need is an active Sam's Club membership. Before you can apply for the business credit card, you must already be a member. So if you are not currently enrolled, make sure you complete that first. This is the basic requirement that allows you to move forward with the application process. Next, you need to have a registered business or at least be prepared with the business details required during the application. This includes your legal business name, your business address, your employer identification number, if your business uses one, and your business phone number. If you are a sole proprietor, you may also be able to apply using personal information, depending on what the application allows. The key here is to make sure all of your business details are accurate and current before you begin, because mistakes or incomplete information can slow things down. After that, it is important to check your credit. The card is issued through Synchrony Bank, and your credit will be reviewed as part of the application. There is no clearly published minimum credit score, but in general, people with good to excellent credit tend to have a stronger chance of being approved. If you already know your credit is in solid shape, that can give you more confidence before applying. Once that is done, gather all the information you may need for the application. This can include your Sam's Club membership number, your business information, your personal identification, your social security number if it is required, and business income or other financial details if those are requested. Having everything ready in advance makes the application much smoother and helps you avoid stopping midway through the process. When you are ready, complete the application. You can do this online through the Sam's Club credit page, or you can go to the member services desk at a Sam's Club location and apply there. Choose whichever option feels more convenient for you. After submitting your application, wait for a decision. Some applicants get an instant result, while others may go through additional review. In some cases, more documentation may be requested before a final approval decision is made, so be prepared for that possibility. If you are approved, the final step is to activate your card once it arrives and begin using it for eligible business purchases according to the card's terms. At that point, you are all set, and that is how to qualify for a Sam's Club Business Credit Card.